Thanks, but I'd rather go alone. I ignored her question rather than lie. Maybe he'd rather listen than talk. Why am I using rather word again and again? Maybe I'd rather explain than making you guess. So our today's session is all about this word rather. It's an English adverb. It is an adverb of degree that is used to modify the verb or an adjective in a sentence. Without going into the grammatical technicalities of this word, I will explain you its usage in very simple terms. So let's begin. This adverb can have different meanings in a sentence in different contexts. Let's discuss these one by one. The one meaning of rather is instead. Hindi में बजाय या बल्कि. When you want to say that some action occurred in place of or as an alternative to some other action. He didn't call, rather he wrote a letter. उसने कॉल नहीं किया, इसके बजाय उसने एक लेटर लिखा. I'll not take the medicine, rather I'll take some rest. मैं मेडिसिन नहीं लूंगी, बल्कि थोड़ा रेस्ट करूंगी. The next one is another meaning of rather, kind of or sort of. When you want to say to some or great extent, but you are not sure. He is rather good at playing piano. वो पियानो बजाने में काफी अच्छा है. Wear your cardigan. It's rather cold outside. बाहर ठंड लग रही है, अपना कार्डिगन पहन लो. This is a very casual expression in English. I guess there is no Hindi equivalent of this word that I can tell you. However, if you know about it, please let me know. Another meaning is preferably. When you want to show your preference for some particular thing or action, use would before rather, accompanying it with than. I would rather go for shopping than sitting at home. घर पे बैठने से तो अच्छा है मैं शॉपिंग पे चली जाऊं. I would rather die than living a worthless life. ऐसी बेकार की जिंदगी से अच्छा है मरना. I would. You can also use the contraction here, I''D. I'd rather go for shopping or I would rather go for shopping. Another meaning of rather is quite, to a degree. When you are not comparing two things but still show your admiration for a particular thing. This chocolate is rather tasty. It means this chocolate is very tasty. Corona is spreading rather fast. Take all the precautions and stay at home. Corona बहुत तेजी से spread हो रहा है. सभी precautions लो और घर पे रहो. Now you will say we can use these 4 words in 4 different contexts. Then why to use rather and be confused? Well, the choice is totally yours. But the word rather is increasingly used in English writings, including stories, poems, novels, news, etc. If you know its right usage, you can take out the correct meaning. I would rather end this post now in the hope that I have added something new to your knowledge today. Thank you so much.